Hello everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. In this video, I'm going to give you an update on the tropics because we have a lot of tropical activity right now in the tropics. Three areas that we're now watching for tropical activity. So in today's video, I'm going to give you an update on that. I'm going to be showing you the future models for all three of these areas that we're watching and the live infrared satellite for them. So starting off, we are looking at disturbance 1, which has a 0% chance of cyclonic formation within the next 48 hours here. So again, right now it only has a 0% chance, but then as it gets closer to the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to be getting strength and going to be going to a higher chance, 20% chance. Again, it's pretty weakening right now, but if it gets more strength, it's going to be turning into a 20% chance, and it's going to be going closer to the Gulf of Mexico. So that's disturbance 1 right now. Now let's go and take a look here at the Eastern Pacific, where we have two more storms that we're looking at here. So one of them, which is, sorry about that, one of them, which is disturbance 1 right now, has already a 50% chance of cyclone formation within the next 48 hours, sorry. And this one, disturbance 2, has a 20% chance in the Pacific Ocean. So, but I can tell you that this one is also going to be turning into a 50% chance as it gets closer to this point in the ocean here. But right now, it is, at this moment, only a 20% chance. But again, two areas that we're watching here, and one of them is already a 50% chance. But yes, that is the current storms. Now let's go and take a look here at their track of where they're going to go. So we start off with our first one right here near the Bahamas here in the Atlantic Ocean, getting close to the Gulf of Mexico here, and just shows, just like I was saying here, it's going to be a 0% chance of formation right now and just be a disturbance in weather in the Atlantic Ocean right now. But then as it gets closer to the Gulf of Mexico here, it's going to be having this area that it could get more strength and turn into a 20% chance. And have this area here that its track is. So again, 0% right now, but once it hits this line right here, it's going to be turning into a 20% chance. But yes, that is that storm. That's that storm's track. So again, you got 20% chance as it gets there. Right now, it's a 0%. Now let's go take a look here at the Eastern Pacific in both of those. So like I was saying, right now, disturbance 2 is a 0% chance, 20% chance, sorry, of cyclone formation within the next 45 days. And then as it reaches this point in the ocean here, it's going to be turning into a 50% risk, which disturbance 1 is already in the Pacific Ocean here, and have this area that it's going to be, that's its track is going to be right there. As well, disturbance 1 in the Pacific Ocean is already a 50% risk of turning into a cyclone formation within the next 5 days, and it's right there. Again, these could turn into cyclones here, so definitely need to be watching these here. So now, let's go ahead and take a look here at the live infrared satellite before we get into any further. So this is the live infrared satellite here for the Eastern Pacific here, sorry. So this is near the Bahamas and like near the Gulf of Mexico here. So we are looking at right now both of the storms, one of the storms here. So again, this is it right here, just so you know. This is the storm right here that we're looking at, disturbance 1 in the Atlantic / Gulf of Mexico right here. So again, look how it's definitely losing strength right now, but could definitely regenerate or get more strength as it moves closer here and goes to the Gulf of Mexico. So yes, that is that right now. Again, that's losing a lot of strength, but soon it's going to get a lot more strength, just like I said, and go to the Gulf of Mexico. Now let's go and take a look here at the other area in the Western Pacific near Mexico. So look, there's a lot of things here that we're looking at, so it might be hard to tell the difference between the storms that we're focusing on. But the storms that we are focusing on is this one, as you see on the left side of your screen, and we are also looking at this one. So again, both of these storms have a chance of big formation here and forming in the near the Mexico coast. Again, there's a lot of other things that we are looking at here that might get confusing with, so just so you know. But yes, that is that there. So live and fresh satellite. Again, this seems like this one is just in a little bit of a lull right now. Definitely could intensify, and this one's just now intensifying from its lull that it was in. So now let's go and take a look at here the future models for both of these, just so you know what time these will go where and when. So this is the future track radar here. So again, this is pretty hard to tell where these are on the future models here, because these are not strong storms at all. But this one is right here in the Atlantic Ocean, going closer to the Gulf of Mexico here. So again, this is right here in the Atlantic Ocean, just so you know. Time this out for you guys. So let's go and time this out here. So again, that's right there, and it's going to be moving towards the Gulf of Mexico here. So if you go and take a look at this further here, again, now it's near Florida. So this has already moved to near Florida here, where all this rain is. Again, this is not a strong storm, but it's bringing lots of rain to Florida, and then it really starts to intensify. Look how much it will intensify here as it gets closer to Mexico. So look, see how it was rain? Now look how strong it has gotten now. Now you're seeing that red there. That's why that it has now a 20% risk as it gets closer to the Gulf of Mexico, like I was saying earlier. That's the reason. It's getting a lot more energy as it gets closer to the Gulf of Mexico and just getting a lot stronger. Now to time this out further, it turns back into rain, and it really just dissipates and goes away after that. That is that storm. Now let's take a look at the Eastern Pacific and these two other storms right here that I was talking about in that Eastern Pacific area. So again, this is both of them right here, if you don't know. So this is disturbance 2 and this is disturbance 1 in the Eastern Pacific Ocean. So let's time this out for you guys. So again, these are both really strong. And then as you go ahead further here, so this is about Tuesday. So these are going to be around for a while. They really start to dissipate by Tuesday. But there's still things. Look, this one's still a thing. This one actually re-intensifies after Tuesday right here, and it's still really strong. But yes, again, they're not going to go away just because they don't, go down in intensification. And then that goes out of this model area. Then after that, they're most likely going to dissipate. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I forgot to give you the timing on this model right here, so I'm going to give you that timing real quick. So again, it's near Florida around just about here around Tuesday over here, and then it really intensifies and goes to the Gulf of Mexico just around Thursday. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you did, again, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Share us with any friends and family just so they know what's going on. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment if you have any other questions. I should be able to answer them. Leave a like, subscribe. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Leave a like, subscribe. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!